Hello, so I am doing both of you. So one is Nike and one is another one I couldn't remember. So let me double check. So Corrine, yours is the Nike. In Britain, yours I did not get. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit. The Nike, you're lucky you can be completely free because their style has just gone all over the board. Images in a sequence. Yeah, so I'm not seeing any illustration styles here. I am seeing some type, seeing some color, but you're missing the illustration styles. You could talk about it, but when you do a style guide sort of thing, you want to show, not tell. Also, sort of wondering if this type is distorted. I think Myriad Pro is a little more jaunty. I could be wrong, but double check that you're holding down the shift key. Otherwise, it's a creative, fun thing to look at. Okay, so again, I don't remember your topic, but I like all of these illustration examples. I'm guessing maybe you're doing Apple. If so, this Gotham thin might go well with what you're up to. These colors are a little bit muddy. The first one sort of reminds me of like old Russian propaganda posters. That could go well with Apple. I mean, any of these could. Maybe this one is too messy unless you just put it on the screen. But again, you might have picked something completely different. So let me know. All right, bye.